what we have here is another problem where we are given that x plus 1 over x is negative 1, and what we need to solve for is what x to the power of 91 plus 1 over x to the power of 91 is. The first thing to do is to decrease this power of 91. So we can write it like so: x to the power of 90 plus 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 90 plus 1. This still stays the same, and we can just further simplify from here. So this is going to be x times x to the power of 90 plus 1 over x times x to the power of 90. And then this is x times x to the third times 30 to the power of 30, because 30 times 3 is 90. And this is still a 1, so it's not still 91. And we do the same for the fraction. Now that we've decreased the powers, what they're really asking here is what x to the third is. So we use this original equation and multiply it by x to get a square. So right here, x times x plus 1 over x is equal to negative 1 times x. This right here is going to be x squared plus 1. Well, this is negative x, and what we do is we move it to this side, so plus x is equal to 0. We have an x squared here, but we need to multiply it by x one more time to get a cube. Like so, x times x squared plus 1 plus x is 0. This is just going to be x to the cube power plus x squared plus x is 0. Well, now this here is actually something, because when we take this formula and subtract 1 from both sides, we get that this is x squared plus x is really negative 1. So we move negative 1 to the other side. So what we get is x to the third is equal to negative 1. No, positive 1, because it's a negative 1 here, and we add 1 to both sides of the equation. And since it's x to the third is 1, we know that x to the third power to the 30 power is also equal to positive 1. So we can just put this into here and solve. So it's going to be x times 1 plus 1 over x times 1. This is just x plus 1 over x, which is the exact same equation up here, so which is negative 1 right down here. So that is our answer.